lots of people have asked what brand of roller screed to get, where they can get them. There's many different brands, but we're actually in the process of making our own, which is going to be way more affordable. It'll probably be the cheapest way for you to get in. And we're even going to make a video showing you how you can build your own. So even if you don't want to use ours, we're going to show a video of how you can build it yourself. So hopefully that'll be out within the next couple weeks.
Well, especially if you don't like using the roller screed, because some of these are really expensive. Like you get into the bunion screeds, they're spendy. They're worth it. They're spendy. The curb roller is worth it. They're spendy. And Lura screeds, I really like their concept, but I think before I would buy that, I would buy a laser screed. You know, the cost is just outrageous. So, and I know a lot of people do it, and it's probably a good investment, but all we're focused on is entry level. And so if we can do the cheapest, you can do it for dirt cheap, entry level, learn how to use it. If you like it, you can always upgrade to these guys that are building these, you know, really nice ones. My favorite's the bunion. It's the hydraulic and the curb roller. The curb roller, theirs is awesome. So it's hydraulic also. I like the hydraulic just because they're so powerful. The electric ones aren't as strong. The little gas motors aren't as strong. So you literally could roll pretty much any slump with pretty much any size pipe you want with the hydraulic screeds. They're just so powerful. And they're really versatile. So if I was to recommend one, if you pour a lot of concrete, I would recommend the bunion or the curb roller. There's other hydraulic ones that I've never used, but these ones I have used, and they're good. They're great. You can hook them to, like we would hook ours to our skid steer. So we didn't even have the hydraulic unit. We have a hydraulic unit now, but for many, many years, we would just hook it to our skid steer. It worked awesome. Skid steer was always on site, so we had no problem hooking to the skid steer.
Yeah.
So they're very versatile. And they don't take, there's a lot of comments. People are saying, oh, it takes so long to set those up. These aren't the big, huge rollers like we showed you. They're doing roads. These aren't those. These are little, portable, very quick to set up. Throw them in the back of a truck. You know, put your pipes on a trailer. Very, very easy to use. Very quick to set up. So you guys need to take a second look at these roller screeds. And then not only just roller screeds, there's lots of uses for the screed chairs with screed rails, especially, you know, you're doing contoured pours. You're talking about pouring into drains, pouring valleys, pouring ridges. You can set these screed rails. We'll do more videos on this too. You can set these screed rails and screed off. I mean, even if you're hand screeding, it sets your perfect grade, so you're not having to shoot it with a laser while you're pouring. Set your grade up, and then you pull them out, you know, fill it in. So it's really simple. It takes all the guesswork out. So that's one thing that we really like about the screed chairs with the rails is there's no more guesswork. You set your grades before you pour, and then anybody can screed that. So you're not having to have your very best guy down there figuring out these complex contours and flows, and it can be done really easy. Look into it. At least look into it.